Beat you by 2 feet.
For today. For today.
I think that beat yours, James.
No, he's never beat me.
I think it's front tire miles.
I'll show you the farthest one that I've got, and it was right there. See that ledge? Right there. That's the farthest we've gone. And of course, it was done by moi.
Got a little hard on his beard.
She always wear helmets.
Ooh, with authority.
You're never gonna beat my record, buddy. Oh, a lot farther. You know where that next ridge is over there? The beginning of that. Yeah. It was one day, and I don't know. I just felt like cutting across, and I did her. Not today, though. That's what I thought. Ooh. What do you gotta say?
I definitely got you beat today.
Yeah, we'll see about that. Here you go. Right here. Signing off. We're gonna beat him right here.
We kind of had an attempt, but not really. Oh, he's got his goggles.
Yeah.
It's slick.
Just
boy.
put it.
Yeah.
I ate more than I.
Boy, that is terrible slick right through there. Holy cow. That was the other thing, is just trying to find a spot where you could hook up.
We could even turn around.
He slid over across Joyce.
Yeah, he
didn't make it.
started out.
Oh no, you didn't do it.
No, you're too far downhill.
No, you were actually on top of mine, or on this side of mine, but you went back across just before you went over. Oh yeah.
You made an icicle.
Yeah. It's right there. There's the proof.
The proof is in the dirt.
Yep.
It wouldn't help you to bank off of this side here and take a run.
Well, I tried that once. Okay. That's just not right. Come over here and whoop on Dad. Come on, leave me a little pride, would you?
The camera was off.
Yeah. That's even farther than he did last time. That's farther than you did a long time ago.
Geez, look at that lip on that thing.
Yeah, there's barely, I mean, it feels like you're just going to slide right out, but as long as you can keep hooking up.
Oh, it'd come off the back like that, you know? One more pass and it's going to be a lot slipperier up on that back.
Okay, well, he beat me by like 20 feet. Then he beat himself by another 3 feet. Oh, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, yeah. See? It's just luck.